Hi there, Sandra here. Glad you can join me today. I have a simple card for you, but it's pretty nonetheless. It's just a little cute card for birthdays or any kind of celebration really. It's a Happy Chirpy Day card. Now, you notice that I have a print here which I just put into a square and just cut around the square, not anything else, okay? And it looks a bit weird because I've got this bit of design here, but there is a reason for that. I'm just going to do a little bit of erasing just here because I've managed to smudge my ink somehow. Let's just get a brush and brush that off. Don't ever put your fingers over it if you've got a mark on your card. Don't put your fingers over the top. Okay. So I've got this and I want to put it on here. Now I don't know how well you can see this, but what I've done is in my design I actually put a cut line, but I didn't set it to cut all the way through. I set it to score it, and that means I know exactly where that square piece has got to go, and it means I'm not so likely to muck up lining it up. So it makes it easier for me, it makes it easier for you. I've got some glue here which I'm trying to use up because I've had it for a long time. It's a no wrinkle glue that I can buy locally. I don't even know what brand it is, I can't remember. But it's not a common brand. But it is advantageous in that this glue does not make things wrinkle. I've decanted some into this small bottle because I find smaller bottles with a nice small nib make things so much easier. I cover it with a piece of paper and then I press it down. I do not want my fingers over this. It's a relatively simple card and the beauty of it is largely its simplicity, and if you get mucky fingerprints over your card, it really does make it look terrible. So I have my piece in the center and I'm really happy with positioning that. Yay. Okay, the next piece is this funny little bit of nest. Now you might think that I'd want to put it directly over the top of that and line it up. I don't. I want to skew it slightly so that it looks a little more dimensional. I don't want to raise it up because I want to raise my chick up and I don't want to add too much bulk to this. And also I want to be able to just see that extra colour underneath. Right, so let's get this piece. I think I'll skew it in that way slightly. There we go. So you can see the piece on top and then the layer underneath. A little more dimension, a little more interest. Again, press it down, paper over the top. So now I've got my little chick. Now I did put a second card layer underneath and I did an offset on the card layer. So if you just want to do it with card, you can. I just decided that I wanted to. And I've just got a little bit of foam tape, which I want to put on here to raise it up. Now the advantage of having a relatively thick card cut in the first place and an extra layer on it is that I don't really need to put tape all over the back of it. It's going to be perfectly safe as it is. I'll just peel it off and put my little chick wherever I want it to be. And I just got another speck of dust on there. Okay. Doesn't have to go in the centre. But I'm going to pop him there because I think he looks quite cute in that position. And I have done some tiny little chicks and some medium-sized chicks, so if you wanted to, you could add more. My intention, however, is to put this one, actually no, I won't use the very small one, I'm going to use this one. Smaller than the one on the front, but not as small as the other ones. Make sure to put glue on the feet because those are the bits which are likely to get caught and flip up. Again, paper over the top. Drat. And finally, and I think I will get tweezers out for this, some musical notes. Now, if you're into music and I've got this entirely wrong, please forgive me. I know nothing about music. I just drew something that looks similar to musical notes. It may be completely wrong. I have no idea. But neither could I be bothered to research it just for a quick little card. So you're going to have to tolerate this, and if you want it any different, then you're going to have to do it yourself. And put it there. Another one. Up there. One little chick left over. And there is my nice, cute little card. You could, if you wanted to, either make this bigger or make the card itself smaller. I've chosen to do a 14cm square card with a 10cm insert. I happen to quite like that extra width around it, but if you don't want it, then alter the dimensions. It's easy enough to do. And there we have my cute little card with my happy chirpy day. Hope you like it. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.